This AI app writes your resume and prepares interview answers. Must-have AI tool for job seekers 2025. Today I'm going to show you two tools: Kick Resume, an AI-based resume builder, ChatGPT, your personal interview coach. These aren't just fancy apps. They're lifesavers for anyone applying for jobs in 2025, whether you're a student, a recent graduate, or someone switching careers. Let's start with your resume. Here's how it works. You tell the AI your name, job field, some basic experience, or even just your interests. Then you click a button, and boom! A professionally written CV appears instantly. It includes career summaries, job titles, accomplishments, everything formatted and polished. Example: instead of writing, "I worked at a call center," AI writes, "Customer support specialist with 3+ years of experience resolving client concerns and improving satisfaction scores by 30%. Sounds way better, right? And you didn't even write it yourself. You can also pick from templates used by real companies like Tesla, Google, and Spotify. But now, let's talk about the real stress. The interview. You get invited, sit across the interviewer, and suddenly they ask, "Why should we hire you? What are your strengths? What's your biggest weakness?" Most people panic here. But guess what? AI has your back again. Here's how to prepare using ChatGPT. Copy the resume you just made with Kick Resume. Paste it into ChatGPT and ask, "Give me a confident, natural-sounding answer for why should we hire you based on this CV." And within seconds, you get an answer that sounds human, confident, and tailored to your experience. Want to answer the classic, "Tell me about yourself"? Just type, "Create a 1-minute answer for tell me about yourself using this resume." And boom, AI turns your dry background into a powerful personal pitch. You can even ask it to write in your tone: formal, casual, funny, or humble. So who is this for? Students applying for internships, fresh graduates entering the job market, professionals shifting careers, anyone applying abroad, Canada, UK, USA, UAE, or people who just feel overwhelmed with writing and interviews. You don't need to be a designer or copywriter anymore. You just need the right AI tools. Don't just work hard, work smart. And the best part? Most of these tools have free versions. You don't need to buy expensive courses or hire resume writers anymore. So if you're job hunting in 2025, don't go in blind. Use these tools to level up. Kick Resume for fast, effective resumes, ChatGPT for smart interview prep. Want my personal prompts, templates, or free CV samples? Just drop a comment saying "CV please" and I'll send you a full toolkit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.